So, good morning everyone. Welcome to my channel. So, today we'll learn about the Earth history. So, let's begin. So, this is my cover page of Earth's history. So, let's start. Okay. How did the Earth formed? Long ago, about 4.6 billion years ago, there were large cloud of gases and dust floating in the space. This cloud started to spin and clump together because of the gravity. The center became the sun, and the leftover bits started to sticking together to form the planets. One of those clumps became the Earth. At the first, it was just a hot ball of rock and metal. Over time, heavier stuff sank to the middle to form the core, and lighter stuff stepped on the top to form the crust. Volcano released gases which helped form the atmosphere. The water came from the ice, comets, and steam from volcanoes creating oceans. Eventually, Earth cooled down enough for life to begin in the oceans. Okay, so Earth Earth started. The space dust got pulled together by gravity and slowly became the beautiful planet we live on today. We want to know how the moon got improved in these all. It's a wild story too. Okay, so as you can see over here, Earth has begun with water and nature. So let's move next. How did the creatures started to live on the earth? Over time, it cooled down and water collected to form the oceans. Billions of years ago, Earth was just a hot ball of rock with no life. In those oceans, tiny molecules started to come together and form simple life forms like single-celled organisms. Scientists believe this may have happened thanks of lightning, volcanoes, or even chemicals from space that help create the building blocks of life. These tiny life forms could copy themselves and slowly changed over a time through a process called evolution. Okay. Eventually, they became more complex. Some joined together to form multicellular creatures, and over millions of years, they evolved into plants, animals, and eventually humans. So, life started super small in water and grew up more complex step by step. Want to hear about the weirdest creature that ever lived? I I will got a few uh, condensers. Okay, so this Earth has developed birds, water, nature, mountains, volcanoes, and some animals. Okay, for now, thank you.